Hello everyone. It's another week, another weekend of trying to stay as far as possible away from everybody else. So I decided to hit up a few spots in town. My first stop here is at the St. Peter Family Early Childhood Center and District Office, where you can see there's some teachers that put up some signs in their windows because they miss their kids. School's been online only for the last week, and they've been completely out of school the previous week or two before that. So thought I'd come here, check it out, and then I'm gonna head off to a couple more spots. Yeah, it's just really weird right now, the way things are in the world. So I've got a few more batteries and I might as well use them. Well, I got all my batteries used and the sun is just going down. It's a little bit chilly out here tonight, so my hands are kind of cold. I should have maybe stayed in the car more. But it was a beautiful night. I didn't crash, nothing got damaged, and I stayed away from people. So, catch you next time.